Hello, we are continuing with our previous lesson. There is the mass. Today we are coming to continue with conjugates of surd. The last time we got to example 3, so today we are continuing with the example 4. Example. Let's use the example 4 as example 1 in this session. So example 1. Let's say that you have given 2 plus square root of 3. You need to first of all multiply this to 8 conjugate. So what do? You take 8, 2 plus square root of 3. Multiplying 8 conjugate, the operation sign there is positive. So multiplying it to 8 conjugate, it will turn to negative 2 minus square root of 3. Then you use difference of 2 squares. So in using difference of 2 squares, you have 2 squared minus square root of 3 square. So 2 square we know to be 4 minus square root of 3 squared. So the square here will cancel the square root. We will get 3. So this one, we all know that the answer will be what? 1. Thank you. So let's take our second example. If we have given 4 square root of 2 minus 5 square root 5, you first of all need to multiply it to 8 conjugates. So 4 square root 2 minus 5 square root 5. Multiplying to 8 conjugates, the operation sign here, which is negative, will turn to positive. So 4 multiplying square root 2 plus 5 square root 5. You use difference of 2 squares to solve this. So when using difference of 2 squares, 4 square root 2 will be squared minus 5 square root 5 will be squared. So you need to simplify the bracket first. So 4 squared multiplying square root of 2 squared minus 5 squared multiplying square root of 5 squared. You know the square root of 4 to be 16 multiplying this one. The square here will cancel the square root. So we get 2 minus the whole thing here. So 5 square will give us 25 multiplying this one. The square root will cancel the square, leaving 5. So we do the simplification. Here will give us 32 minus 125. So we subtract the 125 from 32, you get negative 93. And negative is a rational number. So it being negative, our final answer being 93 minus negative 93 is a rational number, so it's correct. Let's move to our third example. Example 3. Saying we are given 1 minus square root 4. We need to solve this. They say you should solve it. You need to multiply 8 to 8 conjugates. So 1 minus square root of 4. Multiplying it to 8 conjugate, the operation sign negative here will turn to positive. So 1 plus square root of 4. You use difference of 2 squares to solve it. So 1 square minus square root of 4 squared. You need to simplify it. 1 square is 1 minus Square root, the square here will cancel the square root, so we will get 4. So our answer will be -3, which is also a rational number. Thank you.